The dead rat is awful. We've had that.
Yeah.
Horrible.
But like it went after a few days, so I don't think it is a dead rat, but whatever it was, stank. Yeah.
Poor magnet.
He thought he was getting the best one, and nope. He looks out onto a chicken shop kitchen as well. So like whenever he opens his window, he just locks eyes with the chef cooking chickens. So awkward. Yeah.
Why didn't you choose it again? That one?
Just because he has access to the garden, but he doesn't use the garden.
No. You probably had a very romantic idea about the garden, didn't you?
Yeah,
Which has failed miserably.
it has failed miserably.
I find it quite funny.
Yep.
You will just keep quiet and get on with it.
Yeah. That's it.
Is he still with his girlfriend?
Yeah, still with his girlfriend.
Has he got a girlfriend?
Yeah, he's got Fia.
So
Like,
he's
maybe
still
dating
with
for
her.
2.5 years now.
Yeah.
Something like that. Well, me and Katie, it's been over a year and a half
Yeah,
now.
it's nice, isn't it? You're steady.
Yes,
Yeah,
it is nice. Alright, Luna. What is it?
Do you know this band?
No,
80s band.
no, I don't know them.
Yeah, the Symphony Hall. They just had 2 dates that they were touring. They used to be tracks and go home.
Yeah, nice.
And they were going to go see Pete Tor at Utilita or whatever it was, Arena
Nice.
in December.
Very good. Sounds fun. Da-da-da-da. How are the dogs with cows?
Well, they just out.
No need here, isn't it?
No, they were here last week. And, Sasha was well up for it. Like, you know, she locked eyes with this particular one, started walking towards it, but of course Luna was barking at it, you know,
Yeah.
being a complete knob, if she could take it. But she's actually scared of them. When you hear her bark,
I know, yeah.
there's a slightly hysterical edge to it.
What is it, Luna?